Robinhood just gave me a free gift. Yep, they just gave me a wonderful letter. They sent me a wonderful letter and gave me a free gift. Cannot talk highly enough about Robinhood. I'm not sponsored by them in any way whatsoever. It's to do with the contributions and the match on the Roth IRA. I just briefly showed you the letter just for a moment. I'm going to come back to it in a second. But Robinhood have literally just given me a free gift. I have to say, to get customer service like this, it was unexpected. I didn't expect it, but I am deeply grateful to Robinhood. Thank you very much indeed for your excellent service. I can't talk high enough about you, and it's very decent. So what has happened this morning? Let me share with you this letter I just received from Robinhood. Just full disclosure, I'm not promoted or sponsored by Robinhood in any way whatsoever. I do invest on Robinhood. I do use Robinhood. These are my real shares, and you can see I have 5.9% of my portfolio, 209 shares in my main account, and my Roth IRA, I have 266, 18%, and I'm up on both of the accounts by quite some way, 25% and 18%. I love what Robinhood are doing. Can't wait for it to come to the UK. I've got lots of viewers in the UK that can't wait to be able to use Robinhood. But this isn't about that. This is about the Roth IRA. Now, if you'll know that I really do love the Roth IRA that Robinhood provides, they give a 1% match. At least they did. They now give a 3% match, which is great. However, I jumped in the moment they provided their 1% match. I jumped in and I put all my money into my Roth IRA the first year. And the second year I jumped in as well, because if you remember, it started at the end of last year, the last month. I jumped all in, maxed it out. Then I maxed it out again this year, and you can see I got $75 the second year and $70 the first year. Completely free, 100% match, 100% free money. Great. However, I could have got 3 times that amount, but of course that wasn't available at the time. So I decided to give Robinhood a phone call. I called them up and I explained, and I said, I don't expect you can help me, but I just thought I would ask and be a bit cheeky because, I thought, well, what the heck? I'm live every day talking about Robinhood. I love Robinhood. Let's see if I get a response. So I called up Robinhood and I asked Robinhood, would they consider the fact that I love Robinhood so much and I talk about it all the time, would they consider the fact that I missed out on the 3% match? I maxed out both years and only got the 1%. Is there any way you can help me? And I said, I don't expect you to be able to help me in any way whatsoever. Let's be honest. Why would they be able to help me? Because you got the 1%. Now it's 3%. It is what it is. Going forward, it's 3%. Because I'm maxed out, I can't benefit from that until January next year. So this was the response I got from Robinhood. Let me share with you the email I received from Robinhood. This is a direct email to me. Hi Martyn, thanks for your patience as we reviewed your account. Good news! I'm happy to report that we'll be able to make an exception in your situation and retroactively, don't know why some of these words catch me out, apply an additional 2% match for your eligible contributions you made in 2023. That's fantastic because basically I got $75. They're going to give me another $150 on top of the $75. Free, no tax, no penalties whatsoever, and they're going to pay that into my account. How wonderful. You should see that credited to your account by the end of September 2023. And then, of course, they go on and explain how the Roth works. So it's worth mentioning to you. Please note that you must hold assets earning a match for at least 5 years in your Robinhood IRA. You must hold assets. That doesn't mean to say you can't sell your shares. You can sell your shares. You just can't remove the money from your Roth IRA. But that's fine. That's what it's intended to be anyway, for your pension, your future, to avoid a potential early match removal fee. So if you do take your money back out, that's fine. That's perfectly acceptable and perfectly fair. You must also remain a gold member for at least one consecutive year from when you receive the first gold match to avoid a Robinhood Gold cancellation IRA match removal fee. Absolutely fine. I've got no issue with being a gold member. I love the service. But remember, as a gold member, you also earn 4.9% APY on your uninvested cash. Keep in mind, funds being contributed into our distributed from retirement accounts may entail tax consequences. Contributions are limited and withdrawals before the age of 59 and a half. 59 and a half. It's like when you were 5 years old, isn't it? I'm 59 and a half now. May be subject to a penalty tax. Robinhood does not provide tax advice, and so on and so forth. Of course, that's perfectly normal for any pension. If you remove it early and cash it in early, then of course you're going to be pay those penalties. Anyway, I want to put a sincere thank you out to Robinhood. This is a fantastic gift. I never expected it. So if you want more information and you want to follow me on Twitter, all my links and our cash giveaway as well. We're giving away $204 in cash. Because I'm making money, I'm sharing it with you. Click above my head, and if you go over here and down here, you'll see more videos related to Robinhood and things that I think you will find interesting. Check those out, and as always, just be nice, be polite, ask. You never know. Sometimes you just might get a little free gift. Robinhood, sincerely, thank you very much indeed. I do appreciate it enormously. As always, take care of yourselves and each other.